This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the leak precisely and confirming the metal panels and fasteners involved. Once done, clear debris and rust with a wire brush so patches will bond. Make sure to remove old caulk and lift trim or flashing carefully to see seams. Put on your harness and secure a ladder. Safety is not optional. With tools staged in reach, test fit the metal patch over the damaged area to confirm size and shape before applying any adhesive or fasteners. With the surface prepped, prime any bare metal and apply a continuous bead of roofing cement to the underside of the patch so it forms a waterproof gasket. Position the patch, then install self-drilling screws with neoprene washers, spacing them about 1/2 from the edge and every 6-8 inches depending on panel size. Once fastened, overlap existing seams by at least 2 inches in the downhill direction, and run a smooth bead of caulk along all edges to prevent capillary leaks. Finish by smoothing sealant beads with a putty knife and painting the patch to match and protect it from UV and corrosion. Once cured, test with a garden hose from above the ridge for 10-15 minutes while someone checks inside for any moisture. If you still see water, make sure to inspect adjacent panels, fastener holes, underlayment, and flashing. Hidden damage often causes persistent leaks. Troubleshoot by isolating sections and replacing compromised flashing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.